Welcome to the guide to Revolut Commodities Trading. Revolut is a popular online platform that allows users to trade a variety of assets including commodities. Commodities are physical goods such as gold, oil, and wheat that can be bought and sold on financial markets. To get started with commodities trading on Revolut, you first need to open a Revolut account and download the mobile app. Once you have set up your account, navigate to the trading section and select commodities from the list of available assets. Revolut offers a range of commodities to trade, including gold, silver, and oil. Before you begin trading, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in commodities trading. One crucial concept is leverage, which allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. However, leverage can also increase your potential losses, so it is vital to use it wisely. Another important concept is margin, which is the amount of money required to open and maintain a position. Revolut requires a minimum margin to trade commodities, and if your account balance falls below this level, you may be subject to a margin call. To place a trade, select the commodity you want to trade and choose whether you want to buy or sell. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. It is also essential to keep an eye on market news and trends, as these can impact commodity prices. Practical examples of commodities trading on Revolut include buying gold as a hedge against inflation or selling oil if you expect the price to fall. Best practices include setting a budget, diversifying your portfolio, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, commodities trading on Revolut can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn profits. By understanding the key concepts, using leverage and margin wisely, and following best practices, you can make informed trading decisions and achieve your financial goals. Always remember to trade responsibly and within your means.